Hello my friend, you are watching Media Creation Color, your all type of hardware and software solutions. I am here with you a very important topic today, how to delete undeletable file and folder in Windows 7, 8 or 10.
Now we put the text
Very easy process.
Okay.
Actually it's not easy maybe, but maybe there are 3 or 4 type of processes you can do, and sometimes all processes don't work as well. And some processes are very complicated. My friend, when you write how to delete undeletable file and folder in Windows 7, 8 or 10,
put the same green.
then maybe hundreds of video will come. You can say how to delete
the shadow white.
Undeletable files and folders in Win 7, 8 or 10. Maybe hundreds of video will come. Some are flexible, some are very complicated.
Okay, friends.
Everybody has
Now we put
own its way of
any other information
teaching.
also, if you
So
like.
it's depend on the person how you
It's
learn.
same,
But today
same
I will
you can
take
do
you to the next level. Very easy and very quick process. So here I go.
just write official contact, your email or social links.
First,
or
I want to
whatever
tell you
want.
very complicated or something essential but very complicated. You know, you can delete this undeletable file and folder. When this file and folder come to you or enter you in PC, there are 2-3 stages: viruses and
So many,
regarding
font
installation
style you can get
softwares, while removing softwares, these undeletable file and folder will remain in your computer. So it's very irritating and frustrating.
Friends, I just taking the
hazardous for your
a bit
computer.
time.
These file and folder
But
must
my
be
aim
deleted.
is
Otherwise it will create
teaching you
these will
fully
create problems.
step
So
by
there's
step,
the one
so you will
famous
not
way
getting
that when you search how to
any
delete
mistake or
undeletable
what.
file and folder,
I
in
just try my
in
best.
YouTube you will find hundreds
It's a
of
bit-
videos.
I
Mostly
take
99%
but I do the
videos
step
will
by
show
step,
you
so
this
easy for
CMDR command
the
based
main points.
deletion. When I will
just put
write
in
CMD, this CMD command prompt has come here.
first step.
So there are 2 ways to enter this CMD DOS mode. Directly click on this command prompt, or right click here, run as administrator. There's a lot of privilege for you to enter the CMD. Okay, when I will enter here, it's I entered here as administrator in 32
Okay, this one
system
we now
32.
type the
What start I will do, maybe mostly you will hear from I have to write dir mean directory, then /x. I will enter these file will come, maybe hundreds of file will come,
okay.
and you will be confused that what type of file to choose. For example, a specific file you have,
Reduce a bit.
see here in right side, this is undeletable supposed to be. I have deleted my file, all undeletable file already, so I thought that why not I have teach common masses that facing this problem. So when you have to
You can put your social
mention
links,
your
Facebook,
file, particular file here in
Instagram,
the CMD, what you
anything you
have to
want. I
do,
just
right here
this
in
one showing you the
system
demonstration.
32 dir directly /x,
You can put your
then
official
the
number,
address of particular file. You know what I will do? I will right click on this file, go to property. Here is the highlighted area is the location of the file. When I copy this file, when I put paste here, here is the file. Okay, I will put this is the way that I can delete this file as well. There are a lot of ways to delete
friends,
these
so
files, but these
this
are
one
not
we
easily
also changed
understandable.
the
These processes.
also.
So rather I will quit from here.
So we change the color of the
Okay.
text.
What I will do, I will open internet, Google
can
or
select
from
any color.
software. You know, friend, you have to listen carefully. These words or my points are far better than learning of this software. About learning this software process, what I tell you now, that when I was initially I was not aware and not well known and well knowledge about this process, deleting file and folder to your CMD process. Then I tried to grab a very easy software that can delete my file and folder. You know, I have installed tens, not hundreds, but tens of file folder deletable software, but unfortunately I was unsuccessful very badly. These were all viruses. These are all file brought viruses, and as well as put some undeletable file and folder. Even some software I wanted to delete from this control panel here. You know, this is the control panel. I will just make it concise for you. When I tried to uninstall these, I couldn't be very surprisingly, I couldn't be able to delete from here those file and folder delete software. So I become amazed and suffocated and confused.
And then after that, if you want change this
then I couldn't go down.
So we save first this
file and folder existed and not deletable. So I continued my trial and struggle,
the same size
try basis I have worked. Then I found a very effective,
after saving,
free
what we
easy
do,
process
if you want change this background always or different background and then same text you keep. So we do what? We just unclick the background.
Deleter.
Then we unclick the first layer.
See here, why
this one will become transparent.
There is hundreds of software that can give you
PNG because
just pretending to be file deleter, but these all are paid. All will create a trouble and create a permanent place in your PC and will not be deleted forever. So we avoid from these false pretending software. That download it free. Download it free, not workable free. This is download free only, not working free. You have to understand that. When you will write Force deleter, enter.
It's a perfect size.
There's first.
So
this is
we can change always different background but the same image. If you don't know, lazy to make the other channel
safely and easily unlock deleter.
So after download,
very
let's try
effective 1.87 MB.
Okay.
I will.
After we go,
I will install it rather. You
customize
see there's no particular price for this software. Here is the software you see in left corner. I will
change the
click it here. Okay,
now we select the image, just now we editing.
Okay. My dear friend, I have installed this Force deleter. What you have to do, there are two options: add file, add folder. What type of thing is irritating to you?
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question or any suggestions,
for example, I will
maybe I
add
mistaken something, or if I do anything wrong, please comment below and then suggest me if in my videos anything wrong, anything mistaken, or if you have any question, you just comment below and then you can freely ask me, freely suggest me to grow my channel. Then help me to subscribe my channel, support my channel.
Then
as you can see,
you see, you have what you have to do: unlock and delete.
Device preview.
Do you want to unlock and delete? Yes. then file has been deleted. See here.
Yeah friend, you have seen that this is the magic of this Wise Cleaner and Wise Deleter. This is not a crack version. Don't try ever any crack version as well, because crack version directly infect your and affect your computer and files. I have 5 PCs, so I have faced many troubles. Even I have solved as well. So don't try on your one PC, maybe a very important file and something folder or something very important thing you will lose, or repeatedly you have to do a window reinstallation. To avoid this all, you have to use this software. This is very easy software. Always try to be touch in a Media Creation Curve. Very effective solution you will get from here. I will try my best to get very relatable content for you and bring utmost top-notch solution for you as well in an easy way. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. It will boost our confidence as well. Have a great time.